Nothing.
Okay.
I'm just seeing how well you'd look through the camera.
You better not be taking a video.
What if I am?
Pew, pew.
Hey Jake, remember that joke that you made up when you were like 5?
What about the squirrel?
Yeah.
I thought that's amazing.
Do you remember what it was?
Yeah.
Tell me. I don't think that's it. No, you gotta tell the whole thing.
You know how to make friends with a squirrel?
No, I don't know. How?